last 3 to 4 years of my life, it's been really focused on raising my kids, rebuilding, resetting, and trying as much as possible to live intentionally. I can't say that it's been easy, especially raising children in America where you don't have lots of family support. But I can say that I have found support in strangers. Have found support in people that I honestly could not even expect that you could. You know. One of my main challenges lately has been the fact that my kids are in three different schools. I have a high schooler, a middle school, and an elementary schooler, and their schools are about 10 minutes each apart. So it takes me around 45 to an hour in the morning to just drop everybody off and then, evening pickup as well. Though sometimes I would say I do get some help from my neighbors whenever they are available. That that is one of my biggest challenge that I did not anticipate. But other than some of the just challenges of raising children, schedules and structure and just being available for everybody, as much as there's been some challenges, I can honestly say that we've also had some wins here and there. And one of them recently is the fact that I get to work from home sometimes, and that helps a lot. And especially in my journey of embracing slow living, that has helped me to where like I could wake up in the morning at 3:30 or at 4 o'clock and get some work done, go out on a walk and just enjoy nature, come back to my kids to school and get back to work. And that is going on very, very well. Number two is the fact that as the kids grow, I've just come to realize how they grow to be responsible and take care of after themselves. They clean after themselves, do their own laundry, and that comes in handy. And if you are a single mom, you know what I'm talking about. When kids get to really help in the house, it is a huge plus. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, please consider to leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And tune in every Friday for our new videos. One thing that I always pray for is strength, because I feel like when I have that, I am able to do anything that I put my mind into, whether it's raising the children, organizing my life, my finances, resetting, rebuilding. That is what I need. And God has been very gracious to us. We have a roof over our heads, we have food, and we cannot complain. Do you even see me?
Yeah.
My teeth.
Mm-hmm.